So today we're doing facials. So I'm about to do a facial on myself first before I do my makeup application. So let me show you my setup. We are using Dermalogica. This is what we got in our kits. And so I'm about to apply this step by step so you can see. So after this, we're doing a professional makeup application. Hi. All right. So first things first. I'm gonna read the instructions. So first step is sanitizing your hands because you're about to touch your face. So I have these wipes. I went to Dollar Tree on my lunch because it was in the plaza and I got a lot of stuff to prepare me.
Y'all have to do a shampoo style? I'm doing a facial.
So I'm wiping my hands.
Oh, yeah, you got a shampoo style, your mannequin. Do that.
Alright, and putting my gloves on. Alright. I have to move my hair, which kind of defeats the process of the purpose of what I just did. So let me use that sanitizer wipe on my glove. Alright. So my classmate Erin has these. I call it hydrolyzed, but I don't think that's the word for it. But it's like, you know, you dip it in the water, it turns into a sponge. Watch. See, it's expanding. So that's the first thing I'm going to use on my face. She got everything off of Amazon. You okay, China? I don't care. You're pretty. Just walk through it. Say hi. Hey. Alright, so the only thing is my thing will stay up. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to read the instructions on this first before I do it though. Because I did it before, but I don't quite remember. So it says, I'm not draped, but it's okay. So I should be draped. Sanitize your hands, which we did. Choose a cleanser. And how do you use this pre-cleanser? It says, using dry hands, massage over a dry face. Then wet hands and continue massaging. Okay, so you're supposed to put it on dry. That means I have to take off everything that was on my face, which is like makeup. I did my eyebrows today, so let's wipe them off. Yeah, this is a kind of oil, and then it says add a little water. Alright, so first take this off because I'm about to put my edge scarf on because I don't want to mess up my edges. I don't feel like doing that again. Alright, so yeah, wipe all this off my hands. Alright, so after you do that, alright, so this says once you put that all over your face, you rinse it with lukewarm water. Alright, so I did that to remove the makeup, and I'm just dipping my sponge in the water. That's the makeup for my eyebrows. I just wiped off my eyebrows. Alright, so what I'm going to do is change this water after every dip because I just wiped off concealer. You get 2 credits? Yeah. I did that.
Talk about instead of doing it on the mannequin.
You probably could do that. Yeah. I did that the other day. I did Chanel and Brie.
Instead of doing on the face, another face on the mannequin, you people. Yeah. Okay. I just asked because Aaron, if you know. I would prefer that, but I want to make sure y'all were comfortable.
Alright, so I'm about to swap out my water.
But guys, I gotta tell y'all this. You know how you go to a restaurant, you can have your mask off at your table? When you walk to the restaurant, you gotta put your mask on.
Alright, y'all. So I'm swapping my water every time just because it just got real milky and cloudy. So just did that. Now the next thing is to use our Dermalogical cleanser. And for this one, it says gently lather a small amount of gel on moistened hands. So I just dip my hand in the water and put a small amount of gel. And then once you do that, you do it to a dampened face. All right. Now we rinse it off. All right, so I'm wiping my hands on my towel because I'm gonna get the residue off. Problem solving. I propped it up on my makeup thing. All right, so now I need to sanitize my hand again because I just touched everything in the world and I have to touch my face. So about to clean my hand again. All right, and the next step is to, well, I'm supposed to use a warm towel, but I don't have that right now. So what I'm going to do instead is use a warm sponge, just like I did. The water's warm. All right, and I'm going to remove everything from my face with upward motion. Just flip it. Okay. Alright, I'm about to put my mask back on because I gotta walk to the back. Hey Anna. I gotta walk to the back of the room to use the sink. So, also I have to use a toner real quick. Who has a toner? It's back there. Alright, so I'm gonna go fresh water. And I have the toner. So I'm about to use the toner on my face. To clean my hands. Alright. So I've done that and I did my toner. So the next step after this is the exfoliant, micro exfoliant. So the way that you use this is you I believe you pour a little powder. Okay, not too much. A little powder. And then you add water to the product. Just enough to make it lather. Okay? So I just dipped my hands in there to clean that off. Also dipping my sponge.
You about to use that green stuff for what's that green?
Alright. Everything's removed. Aaron, don't forget to send me the list, okay? So that's that. I'm done with all the face stuff, so I'm about to pour this water out. And the next step is going to be my massage cream. Now, just to confirm, I think I need to do another toner. It says dab of serum. Oh, that's for corrective treatment. I'm not doing corrective treatment. All right, so after you do your exfoliant, you must do your massage oil all over your face. So that would be my massage gel cream. That's going to be next. But before I do that, I want to pour out my water just so I don't risk like spilling it or anything. So 1 second. Out. And because I just touched the sink, I'm wiping my gloves off again because I got to put them on my face. All right.
Oh, Miss Patrice told me to tell y'all, when y'all do the makeup, do the evening, you know, I guess you said the evening, and then the night, day. Let me turn the reaper down.
So this is like really oily.
I guess when we come back.
All right, y'all. So this is massage cream, and you use this to help you do your manipulations on the face. So again, back to our effleurage. Friction massage. And then tap on it. Vibration. All right. And then you finish with your effleurage. So you're gonna be, well. He be singing. Shoot, listen to that all day. With no extra stuff, no synth sounds, no beats behind him, just his straight voice. That's crazy.
I don't know how to be able to say that whole time like that.
Alright, guys.
I was supposed to say, cause that.
Alright, so that's done. Alright, I'm gonna put it up on it. Put it back. And